Hello everyone, my name is Palan Jafade, and by grouping myself and my friend Pawan Kestal doing this IoT-based home automation solution project. So, to content, introduction, C programming, IoT, Internet of Things, embedded system, microcontroller, and software requirement is Arduino IDE, PSLab, and virtual port pair, Blink app. See the C programming. C programming is a general purpose language, even though it is applied and used effectively in various specific domains. It is a free formatted language and not strongly typed language. Efficient and portability are the important consideration. Library facilities play important role. In the side view, it is a basic structure of C language. In C, the topics we learn in the C programming is the data type, modifier and qualifier, conditional and loops, operation, arrays and pointers, strings, function storage class and preprocessor, and last one is difference between C and C++. The term IoT, Internet of Things, refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between the device and the cloud as well as between the device themselves. As we see the word IoT, in our minds comes the first example of smart mobiles, smart refrigerator, smart watches, smart door locks, bicycle, or digital things are few examples of IoT products. Here are some benefits of IoTs. First one is real-time asset and resource visibility, reduce cost, improve operational efficiency, data-driven insight for the quick decision-making, end-to-end remote monitoring and management of the asset resource, real-time, predictive and the prescriptive insight, improve end customer experience. And next, embedded system. An embedded system is a microprocessor-based computer hardware system with the software that is designed to be perform a dedicated function, either as an independent system or as a part of large system. At the core is an integrated circuit designed to carry out a computation for a real-time operation. IoT is one of the application of embedded system. Example of system: central heating system, engine management system in vehicle domestic applications such as dishwasher, TV, and digital phones. Microcontroller. A microcontroller is a small and low-cost microcomputer which is designed to perform a specific task of embedded system like displaying microwave information, receiving remote signals. At the image, there are some microcontrollers like Atmel AVR, ARM, Arduino. Overview Overview of this project, and this project provides an IoT-based home automation solution using Arduino Uno board in PaceLab simulator. Second one, Blink IoT mobile application used to control the device remotely. Third, control the light, temperature of the home, and inflow and outflow of water tank. After all, question comes in your mind: why automation is important? The benefit of home automation includes safety, convenience, control, comfort, and energy saving. Here's some closer look at the biggest benefit that home automation provides and what kind of you should consider to reap this reward. Home automation enables people to control the most of the device remotely, such as volume of water tank, garden light, temperature of home. Arduino. Arduino is an open source platform used for building electronic projects. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P. PCLab is a real-time emulator of development board with the MPLAB X, AVR GDB debugger integration, and here's some image of PCLab software. Blink application was designed for the Internet of Things, and Blink it can control the hardware remotely and it displays sensor data. It can store data, visualize it, and do many other cool things. Create widgets on mobile Blink application. Button widgets to control the heater and the inlet value and outlet value. Badge widgets to display temperature and volume of water in the tank on the mobile application. Terminal widgets to display the notification whenever threshold is crossed, like temperature is more than 35 degree, turning off the heater. It gives a notification like that. Blink IoT app configuration. Before the using the Blink app, you should know how to create new templates, how to add device, how to select and add data streams, how to create ion, how to include Blink libraries. LDR, light dependent register, we can also call it as photo register. LDR, light sensitive device, most often used to indicate the presence or absence of light or to measure the light intensity. LDR sensor is a light detecting sensor that detects the light that fall upon it. Garden light control. The garden light control, the properties of LDR sensor is applied to accomplish the controlling of garden lights. During the day, the outdoor lights is maximum, so the LDR sensor detects the light and the garden light is turned off whereas in the night the outdoor light is very low, so the LDR sensor detects the light and the light is turned on. Temperature sensor. The temperature is recorded using LM35 sensor which reads analog value. The value is converted into binary value and later actual temperature is calculated using octane value of the voltage LM35. Temperature control system. The temperature control system consists of heating resistor and a electrified temperature sensor and a cooler. In this image, Blink IoT are connected to Arduino Uno and sensitivity and temperature system. By this way, we can control the temperature. Water inlet and outlet valve control is same as the temperature control. Just you have to here, just you have to add water tank. Here, PSIM lab. The first we need to implement a code and compile our code and uploading PSIM lab through the load hex. Then we need to debug it, and by connecting the Blink IoT app through our PC, we can control the home automation. Here is a serial remote tank. We can control the water tank level. When our water tank is full, we will get some notification like water tank is full, then we can turn it off by our Blink app. So here conclusion of our project that using Blink IoT application and the PSIM lab simulator, the simulated home automation where the LED temperature system, serial tank resemble light, heater, cooler and water tank in real time. CLCD act like a dashboard used for displaying the event. Widgets from Blink IoT app like button. Widgets are used to control heater, cooler and the inlet valve and the outlet valve. Catch widgets to display the temperature and the volume of water. So thank you so much and wait a little bit for the practice session. We are going to connect the Blink app to the PC.
Now we are going to start our project implementation. Here is the source code of our project, and here is the main.h where all the macros are defined for different types of features in our Blink IoT app. Now first go to sketch and export compiled binary. Now it is compiling and the compiling is done. Now we have to open Pixim Lab. Just go to Pixim Lab and open the file and load hex. We have to load the bootloader and click it open, and it is all. We can see that it is loading and it is loaded. Now we have to open spare parts. Now we are just sharing my screen, Blink screen. I can see I'm just click home automation. Now we can control our home temperature using these two widget button, heater and cooler. When we turning on the heater, then the temperature starts increasing as we can see. Now when the temperature is 35, it will be automatically turn off, and it is saying that the temperature is about 35 degrees Celsius, turning off the heater. So for cooling it down, we can turn on the cooler. We can now see that the temperature start decreasing. So it will be decreased up to specified value 27.37 as we specified is this in the above program defined. Now we can go to tab 2. Here is the tab 2 for the control of the water volume. So we can just open the serial tank. Now we can first of all turn on the outlet valve. So all the water from the tank starts decreasing and going out of the tank. Now for the particular value of 2000, it will say that the water inflow enabled because the water level is less than 2000. So we can turn on the inlet valve so that water can come in the tank. So when the water starts filling the tank, it will fill up the tank, and now it will fill up and it is turned off. So we can receive the notification as water inflow disabled as water level is full. So that's the water tank full description. Now here is the LDR sensor. In the LDR, if we decrease, the light intensity will be decreased, and we increase this, the light intensity will be decreased. This is how the LDR sensor is used to control the garden lights. So that is all about our project implementation. Thank you.